Preliminary. Section 124. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 extends to the whole of India, Buddhist, Jain, those who are not Muslim, Christian, Parsi, and Jew by religion. Under Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu include Buddhist, Sikh, Jain, all of the above. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Hindu Marriage Act 1955 applies to person belonging to scheduled tribes. Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is not applicable to the member of the scheduled tribes. A Hindu may be Buddhist, Jain, Arya Samaji. Hindu law does not apply to person who is a Hindu by none of the above. By birth, conversion, reconversion सब पे apply होगा. Who is a Hindu among the following? A legitimate child of Sikh male and Jain female, an illegitimate child of Sikh male and Jain female, an illegitimate child of Hindu male and a Parsi female who has been brought up as a Hindu. Subpind relationship extend to third generation through mother. Degree of prohibited relationship include relationship by full blood, half blood or uterine blood, adoption. A married B, but the marriage was void, being within the prohibited degree of relationship. After some time, A married C, while B was still living with him. A's marriage to C is valid. As per the Hindu Marriage Act, subpind relationship extend to third generation inclusive in the line of ascent through the mother and fifth inclusive in line of ascent through father. In Hindu Marriage Act 1955, degrees of prohibited relationship is defined under 3G. Under which one of the following section of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 subpind relationship has been defined? Section 3F. Subpind relationship include relationship by half blood, uterine, full blood, adoption. When two persons are descendant of a common ancestral but by different wives, they are said to be related to each other by half blood. Which section of Hindu Marriage Act defines subpind relationship? Section 3F. Subpind relationship has been defined under 3F of Hindu Marriage Act. In regard to the Hindu marriage, subpind relationship of a person counted up fifth generation in line of ascent through father only, third generation in line of ascent through mother only. Which one of following condition is exempted? If the custom governing each of the party of Hindu marriage so permit. The parties are not subpind to each other. A marriage between Hindu boy is 23 years and a Hindu girl is 19 years, both in the same gotra, is valid. Marriage of a Hindu male to wife's daughter by previous husband is void unless protected by custom and usage. Sagotra marriage under Hindu marriage law are valid. A marriage of a Hindu man with biological sister of adopted sister. A. Marry of Hindu man with the biological sister of his adopted sister is valid. Prohibited degree of supine relationship are may overlap each other. A. Marry under Hindu law between supined parties shall valid if the custom and usage governing each of them permit. Under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, the supine relationship extend in line ascent to 3 degree through the mother and 5 degree through the father. A Hindu girl wishes to marry her mother's sister adopted Hindu son, who happen to be her childhood friend since the pre-adoption day. Such marriage under Hindu law is prohibited degree of relationship. Marriage of a Hindu male to his wife mother is void unless protected by custom and usage. A born Christian girl brought up by Hindu family married a Hindu boy as per Shastric ceremony. The marriage is invalid. Marriage of a Hindu male with the widow of his brother is void unless custom or usage, unless protected by custom and usage. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 came into force on 18 May 1955. Which one of the following is not included in term of Hindu used in Hindu Marriage Act? Parshi.